There are hundreds of apps in the App Store for sketching on your tablet. But did you know that you can sketch right in AutoCAD Mobile? And those sketch lines will be turned into polylines that you can actually use when you get back to the office. Here, under the Annotate tools, is the Marker tool. I'm going to use my Apple Pencil on this Apple iPad Pro so that I can rest my hand on the screen itself instead of hovering over it in some uncomfortable way. And I'm going to sketch out my design. This is going to be a quick elevation of a house, nothing overly intricate, but recognizable nonetheless. Now, if I use the Select tool and look at the properties, I can see that these are marker and polylines, which means I can use my object snaps and other tools to turn this into real line work back at the office. This has a lot of potential. You can effectively take a pencil and draw freehand right in AutoCAD. For the elevation of this house, I want to use a stone fill, but I want something specific to get the look that I want. And none of the hatch patterns that I have are quite right. So I'm going to use the Smart Pen tool to draw a rectangle to work in. And then I'm going to use the Marker tool and start to sketch out my pattern. I'm leaving a little bit of space to get that tumbled flagstone look that I want. And there we have it. I now have a custom hatch pattern that I can use in my elevation, one I drew by hand.